I'll tell you something, जब फाइट होता है ना तो मेकअप करना आदमी को करना चाहिए. हम अभी रिसेंटली थाईलैंड गए.
बेचारी
like,
बेटी
अपनी बेटी को छोड़कर गई है माँ थाईलैंड ऐश करने,
छोटे कपड़े पहन के
बिजनेस ट्रिप पे.
बेचारी बेटी.
मोस्टली औरतें जब बिजनेस ट्रिप पे जाती है वो बिजनेस ही करने जाती है.
If he washes and dries your laundry,
रैंडमली मत धो ना, मुझे अजीब लगता है.
रैंडमली नहीं बोल रही है.
अच्छा, okay.
तो नहीं बोल रही है कि वो रात को 2 बजे उठ के तुम्हारी बरात हो रहा है. Not saying that. And suddenly you woken up and he's going.
Welcome.
Why did you scare me?
Welcome to
Two girls and no, this is not that show. दवाई खा के आया करो.
okay, so ये जो दो गर्ल्स हैं ये अपने गेस्ट्स को बहुत ही अनकंफर्टेबल वे में इंट्रोड्यूस करती है. So I have tried a small introduction for both of you. Okay, but this is not as roasty as it is meant to be.
Okay.
No.
आज द गुड गर्ल्स शो पर मेरे गेस्ट्स हैं दो कमाल के एक्टर्स, लेकिन उससे भी अच्छे हैं वो होस्ट्स एंड आई थिंक दे इवन बेटर दोस्ट्स. एक जो अपनी हंसी से पूरा रूम देती है हिला, और दूसरी जिन्हें विराट नहीं तो क्या विराफ तो मिला. टू गर्ल्स जिनके लिए यापिंग इज द रियल कप ऑफ टी. लेट्स वेलकम सलोनी पटेल एंड सृष्टि गांगुली रंदानी. टी और रिंदानी को मैंने जो राइम करने की कोशिश की
जो
है.
विराट और विराफ पे तुमने प्ले किया है ना वो बहुत अच्छा था. कुछ भाविश also looks like विराट.
बहुत ही अच्छा यूज ऑफ चैट जीपीटी. नहीं आपने हाइफन यूज नहीं किया है अपने
बिल्कुल. हाँ बिल्कुल.
इंट्रोडक्शन में, मतलब आपने
मैंने खुद
use नहीं किया है,
मैंने
इससे
खुद
पता
लिखा है दिल से और पेन से.
Very
But
nice.
thank you so much for being on the show. I'm so excited, and I am so looking forward to this conversation. So we'll start with something which is called the Good Girls Report Card.
Okay.
Now you have to fill in this report card for each other. So हम swap करने वाले हैं. So there are few words and you have to tick the words जो आपको लगता है लोगों ने जैसे सृष्टि के लिए यूज किया होगा.
100%.
And same for Saloni.
Can I start?
Yes.
Loud, bold, sarcastic, talkative, dramatic, sensitive, bossy, rebel, opinionated. मैंने girls girl और brave नहीं टिक किया.
Did you just tick everything?
Yeah.
Except
girls girl.
And you मेरे को brave नहीं बुलाया किसी ने. यार.
I don't think so.
I mean, why do you think she's not brave?
Ganguly overthinks.
अच्छा.
Okay, so somebody who overthinks a situation, how will they be brave about it? ना like वो brave होने के लिए ना थोड़ा आपको इतना सोचना नहीं होता. You just have to do it. You have to be a little more like, okay, let's just go for it. And I haven't called you a girl's girl because you're a girl's guy.
That is true. Even I haven't ticked girls for you. We are so not girls.
We are 10th grade laundas inside.
What have you ticked for?
Loud.
Of course.
Very loud.
Yeah.
Very
can put a
लिखा है
very
मैंने.
there,
Very लिखा है. Bold.
Yeah, okay, maybe.
Bold. Sarcastic नहीं किया है. Talkative बिल्कुल
Sarcastic नहीं किया. You keep telling me I'm so sarcastic to like people and I keep mimicking them and all of that. I thought.
No, but that's mocking people. That's not sarcasm.
ठीक है, fair enough.
You're a bad person. That's not written.
Thanks.
Talkative नहीं.
Yeah.
Girls girl तो बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Yeah.
Dramatic भी नहीं है. Sensitive नहीं. Bossy बहुत है.
Sensitive नहीं हूँ मैं.
बिल्कुल नहीं. I've never seen you angry, sad, crying.
At you no, because I'm mature. I know how to
Mature. No.
Is there a word, Saloni, that you would like to add to this list that people have used for you, but it's not here?
handle. For me,
For yourself.
funny.
People don't call you funny.
No, yeah. They don't call me funny.
Okay.
They think I'm very like sorted and empathetic and therapist type.
Yeah, the sensible one, na?
Haan, the
Sensible one, correct.
I think I can be funny.
Yeah, when you don't try, you are very funny. When you're not aware about
Tell
the
your
fact
word.
that you're
Tell your word.
Mine, unfunny. My word is mature.
That's true.
People don't call you mature.
They don't. But I think I am in situations, but those situations people have not witnessed, so they don't know.
Next section is feedback and remarks. But these are remarks about your report cards in school.
Oh, okay.
A remark that you think used to be on Shrishti's report card, for example.
Notorious. Never comes to school. Sleeps all the time.
सही है?
Sleeps all the time नहीं था, never comes to school, yes. Yeah.
एक ही लिखना था,
doesn't
मैंने
come to
3-4
school.
लिख दिए.
You never went to school?
Can't you tell? It's obvious.
I didn't go to school. I'll tell you why. Because just school was not the most fun experience. Honestly, it was very. There was a lot of judgment and lot of pressure to be a certain way and to not be a certain way. Also, I was told a lot of things, and I don't know. I was one of those girls who a lot of boys kind of क्या बोलते थे, had
जल्दी
crushes
बोल
on,
रहे. हाँ.
had crushes on, and because of that the teachers would think of me as a certain kind of person, because why are these boys,
Why is she hanging out with boys?
what are you doing,
यही कुछ कर रही होगी.
ये
काजल
कुछ
वाजल
कर
लगा
रही
के
होगी,
आती
ये जो हम एक बार मैंने बैंग्स काटे थे खुद से, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ फन करना था. फिर मैं स्कूल गई, मैंने ऐसे किया था अपना बाल टू पिन इट अप, and I was told by the teacher, तुम इतना स्टाइल क्यों मार रही हो? So I just felt like not a nice person going to school. So it was a bad experience.
How
School was
teachers
bad.
would shame, na?
It was very bad. हमारा एक ये होता था, स्कूल में पीरियड होता था हर रोज, मास पीटी. They would make you stand for 2 hours before school starts and do these weird exercises that don't do anything to your body.
Standardies?
Now, what is this going to do?
What?
What is this exercise going to do to your body?
Which school made you do this?
Yeah, this was a step. Exercise number 4, St. Joseph Schoolites. They'll remember this. What is this? How is it helping?
No sense.
So school was just bad. It was so bad. I don't regret not going to school. I sat at home and watched TV, and I learnt a lot.
Okay.
So a remark that you think she would have wished for?
Delight.
No, absolute delight.
What a delight.
I would have wished for.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. You didn't get this, na?
I got good at extracurricular, but studies very bad.
Okay, Shrishti, अभी बताओ for Saloni.
देखो, remark that she wished for के लिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, तो मैं अपने आप को रिमार्क देना चाहूंगी कि स्लो, मैं बहुत स्लो हूँ. A remark that was only studies, too tall, comes in the way of people's eyeline, so too
What?
tall.
You could have done
Sit at
better.
the back, and too hairy cut hair.
Oh, too hairy cut hair? That's true, but the teacher won't say that. Students used
Too
to.
hairy.
Too hairy, yes. I was very hairy in school. But a teacher won't say
But
that.
what did
Huh,
that?
what
Honestly,
was
I
your
don't
remark
know.
then?
What were your remarks?
I was an excellent kid. I was called omnipresent. I was everywhere. I was doing extracurricular. I was topping my physics, chemistry, maths. So I was considered I was the cultural head of the school.
Wow.
So clearly I was not only studying.
Very, very well. Okay.
Student.
Yeah.
She's rewriting now.
You can't rewrite.
इसलिए मुझे मार्क्स नहीं मिलते थे स्कूल में. मैं एग्जाम के बाद घर पे जाके राइट आंसर.
Okay, I want to know about, obviously we want to talk about your show, the podcast, which is called Two Girls, Two Cups. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा है, then I don't know what you're doing, because it's a lot of fun. Comments क्या आते हैं आप लोगों को generally? What are the worst comments that you get for your show?
मुझे
for
तो
your
बहुत
podcast?
body shame करते हैं लोग.
है?
हाँ हाँ.
क्यों?
I was pregnant, so I had gained weight. Obviously, I mean.
Yeah, like
Yeah. So a lot of body shaming, lot of we have some कि ऐसे कैसे बोल सकती हो. So we don't, हम लोग कुछ religious political बात नहीं करते हैं, but we talk sexual stuff when it's required, sexual innuendos, and that's what. अभी 2 लड़कियां सेक्स के बारे में कैसे बात कर सकती हैं यार परी? What the hell?
what the hell?
हम अभी रिसेंटली थाईलैंड गए, तो
बेचारी बेटी.
अपनी बेटी को छोड़कर गई है माँ थाईलैंड ऐश करने,
छोटे कपड़े पहन के,
बिजनेस ट्रिप पे.
छोटे कपड़े पहन के, बेचारी बेटी. And I'm
मोस्टली औरतें जब बिजनेस ट्रिप पे जाती है, वो बिजनेस ही करने जाती है. like some men.
But I'm we are using very sanitized terms right now because camera on it. I don't want to say,
Course.
but they are all after my child now.
Yeah. Okay, let's do something fun now, because you
Okay.
guys roast people. I have something for you which is called the Roast Awards.
Wow, that's mostly written, guys.
Yeah, we take a lot. There's a lot of prep and effort and writing, and also we pay Bhavesh.
We don't pay. We
You pay him.
not anymore.
It's not always monetary.
Even that.
Okay,
I'm
no.
too busy.
No, okay.
Tell me a song with the most offensive lyrics.
Honey Singh has great music, but I don't know why he screws up with lyrics.
Yeah.
There's that वो उर्वशी रौतेला वाला गाना है ना जिसमें वो बोलता है
मम्मी को
अपने बाप को बोल कि मैं कॉल करूंगा और फिर मैं उनको बोलूंगा और तू अपना बैग लेके आ जा something. I'm sorry, I'm doing the rap very badly.
All the songs were like
कि तू मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ तू कर, बस मैं तुझे पैसे दूंगा, तू आ जा मेरे गाड़ी में.
even Badshah songs I think are a little.
पता है कौन सा ऑफेंसिव नहीं है? अये या करूँ मैं क्या सुकू
सुकू. It's such a cute
It's
song.
so simple. Like मुझे नहीं पता मैं आगे क्या बोलूँ. सुकू
सुकू तू ही बता.
खत्म. मैं करूँ क्या? सुकू great.
I love it.
Non threatening.
तारा रम पम. Simple.
तारारम खत्म.
Love it. But Badshah I would pick. His songs are a little.
Do you remember, or tell me a best cringe dialogue that you remember? You guys remember Raz? राज याद है वो फिल्म? उसमें वो डीनो मोरिया बोलता है ना, वो बोलती है मैं तुम्हें बर्बाद कर दूंगी और वो बोलता है मैं बर्बाद होना चाहता हूँ.
I love that. That's not cringe at all.
That is kind of sexy.
I actually love lots of dialogues. मुझे cringe नहीं होता. जो cringe लोगों के लिए होता है ना, जैसे वो हिमेश का कौन सा मूवी आया था अभी?
Badass.
हाँ.
Badass रवि कुमार.
हाँ, Badass रवि कुमार.
पीता नहीं, लेकिन उसके बिना जीता
भी नहीं.
It's epic.
These are like epic dialogues.
What a character trait कि वो सिगरेट पकड़ के रखा है उसने, लेकिन वो पीता नहीं, लेकिन उसके बिना जीता नहीं.
Yeah.
कि मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये होने नहीं दूंगा
और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये हो नहीं सकता. तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये हो नहीं सकता और
मैं तुम्हें भूल जाऊं ये हो नहीं सकता
और तुम मुझे भूल जाओ ये मैं होने नहीं दूंगा.
Now that is scary, but
it's
I love
amazing.
it. I love it. I want Bhavesh to tell me this. My husband.
Okay, best overacting.
Of course,
Kareena Kapoor यार. प्रेम.
Yeah.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी
But like best
Ritik.
overacting.
But
Best
even Ritik in
only
that
she
film.
could pull it off.
वो कौन सा गाना that she's singing? कसम की कसम है कसम से हमें प्यार
And the guitaring?
है. Yeah. I thought she's gonna get a neck sprain when she does pyar.
It's true.
I was like, oh God, watch out, bro.
Worst trend to have gone viral.
That song recently, that APT. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm so done with it. And just trends in general, they ruin any song for me.
Some BMW something, they do this and then they get pulled with this in some certain speed and then another person doesn't get pulled. It's some
like body shaming weight.
weird trend.
अभी एक नया ट्रेंड आया है, लोग अपने फोन को बाहर मिरर पे चिपका के ड्राइविंग वाला रील ले रहे हैं. वो फोन गिर गया तो
गिरा ही होगा, किसी गिर गया तो.
फोन टूट गया तो वो किसी और के गाड़ी के सामने आ गया तो इट्स अ हैजार्ड.
It's a hazard. स्कूल जाना चाहिए था.
Okay, tell me a worst or best dance step to have gone viral.
Worst or best?
Any you can say.
Because we've been shaming her questions. Questions पसंद नहीं है, मैं change कर लूँगी.
Like तुम्हारे ऊपर है, worst कर लो या best कर लो. Okay, worst or best? Dance step. जो easy होते हैं वो मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं.
अभी तो आया था ना वो
मैंने किया था उसपे.
किया था
Reel.
Let's do it.
पहला तू दूजा तू. अरे यार
कैसे करते हैं?
पहला दू
Two.
तू दूजा तू तीजा तू. अबे तीन तो कर ले यार. तू चौथा तू and you're holding my hand really hard. Like what the hell, dude? I think this was the worst, not the best.
Yes. Cringiest pickup line you've ever heard or somebody has used for you?
यार मैंने ना ये लिखी थी, पता है मेरे फोन में होगी कहीं. Can I?
Yeah.
Let me find it.
ये दिल्ली से है, इसके पास तो बहुत है.
You tell me.
Somebody had apparently whispered also in her ear.
Really? Don't tell me this is true.
Yeah. Somebody whispered in your ear, na, saying call me.
While you were walking on the road? Wow.
Are you a parking ticket? Because you've got fine written all over you.
है?
पहली बात तो पार्किंग टिकट इंडिया में नहीं होता है, चालान कहते हैं उसको.
हाँ.
और दूसरा I've got fine written all over me. मतलब and that guy didn't know English.
So he should have just said, "Are you a चालान? क्योंकि तुम मेरे साथ चलना." Or something like that.
That is so bad.
Are you a चालान because तुम्हारा कटने वाला है?
I should have
That's a
said
good one.
I'm actually a चालान क्योंकि तेरा कटने वाला है bro.
Right.
That's a good one. Huh?
Are you a bank loan because you've got my interest?
Ooh, I like it. I like it.
Wow. Are you French? Because I fell for you. I fell.
Oh, nice. She's processing. Okay, tell me a haircut or a hairstyle that you've seen on screen that you found funny.
I don't understand spikes on men. You remember there was this whole phase where men had spikes here?
Spikes, correct?
I don't imagine that now. Like imagine him sitting there with spikes.
That's, I mean, some people are short and they get spikes to look taller. It's fine. Please, just because you have you're like 8 feet.
I don't
tall.
8 feet. I'm 8 feet, guys.
You would have wanted spikes if you were 5 feet tall.
I don't.
I think nothing beats the Tere Naam hairstyle.
Yeah,
oh
yeah,
my god.
Definitely.
Okay, and last one. Most bizarre outfit.
The triangle bras that in the 80s the women used to wear are like really fun.
Correct.
Oh, the perky ones.
The perky ones. They were like they were literally triangles. I
Yeah.
don't know why.
They're very
Yes.
cute.
Why?
Pokey.
Yeah, like metal.
I think maybe they through distance पहले से बना.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh, I just got it.
है ना?
Oh yeah, I would totally get one now.
Yeah, let's just
Yeah,
Let's just get.
That was self-defense. That was not
क्या बोल
fashion.
रहा है? I would love it. Yeah.
great idea.
Great idea.
Yeah, we should get it back.
Yeah.
Okay, so we now have a segment which is called Unhooked and Unhinged. ठीक है?
Unhooked is not.
Yeah. So
That's her and me.
Yeah.
Unhooked, unhinged.
So this is Zivame presents Unhooked and Unhinged. मैं आपको कुछ options देने वाली हूँ and you have to tell me if it's a fit or a miss. Goes laundry shopping with you.
Yeah.
Must. I want to wear what he likes. To be honest.
Okay, if he buys surprise lingerie but guesses the wrong size,
Miss.
it's a miss.
क्या करूँ मैं उसका?
Fit. I like the thought. तुमने thought डाला थोड़ा सा, तुमने कुछ तो लाए तो
थोड़ा सा
मेरे लिए.
thought और डाल देता size में. Anyway, no, miss for
No
me.
problem.
Okay, knows every Marvel plot twist but can't tell a balconet from push-up bra.
It's okay.
Fit.
चलेगा?
Fit. उसका department नहीं है यार. It's okay. I'll teach. We'll teach.
मुझे भी अलग तरह के briefs के बारे में पता नहीं.
हाँ यार. And मुझे Marvel की नहीं पता ना twist and turns सारे so.
मुझे खुद नहीं पता कितने टाइप की ब्राज होती हैं.
मेरे को
हाँ,
पहला वाला
exactly.
नहीं पता था.
मैंने तो पढ़
Push
दिया।
up ठीक है.
Balcony bra क्या
तू
होता है?
पढ़ते हुए भी you were like abandon.
क्या balcony?
Balcony क्या है पर?
पता नहीं मुझे
Balcony
क्या
में
था.
पहनते थे.
Balcony में नहीं पहन सकते. इंडिया
क्यों?
में.
अच्छा मतलब कपड़े पहनना होता है. हाँ, okay, got it. Okay.
Okay, if he washes and dries your laundry,
Fit.
fit.
Why not?
But why we have a house help? Why is
मतलब अगर कभी
it?
करना
If he's
पड़े.
specially going and washing it, I'll think it's a weird kink, right?
No, also like यार औरतें हमेशा मर्दों की चड्डियां धोते हुए आई है ना.
Yeah, from that context.
From that point, yeah, I feel like
अगर मैं उसकी चड्डी धो रही हूँ तो ठीक है. अगर मैं उसकी चड्डी नहीं धो रही हूँ और वो फिर भी मेरा ब्रा धो रहा है तो वो थोड़ा पागल हो गया है. वो क्यों धो रहा है?
No, but I would like it कि ये मतलब कपड़े ही तो है कोई क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
correct. That's
पर randomly मत धो ना मुझे.
वो
अजीब लगे.
randomly नहीं बोल रही है.
अच्छा, okay.
वो नहीं बोल रही है कि वो रात को 2 बजे उठ के तुम्हारी ब्रात हो रहा है. He's not saying that. That is weird. Call the
It's
doctor.
very weird.
yeah, वैसा नहीं.
And suddenly you woken up and he's going.
वो खराब कर देगा. नहीं, not miss. खराब कर. ऐसे करेगा तू खराब कर.
Okay, if he playfully teases you about your visible bra strap at a party,
Playfully ना.
No, even playfully, I'm not okay with it. No, why?
sends you a screenshot of a lingerie style and asks if you like it.
Fit
Ah,
ना.
nice.
पूछ रहा है ना.
Asks if you like it and would obviously want you to wear that.
Yeah, fit. Why not?
Yeah?
But
Yeah,
because I'm so weird, I'll think that he's asking for himself. Like, why do you want to wear it? Hey, you like this or I'll buy. I'm like, but why you? It's not good for you.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Okay, buys you expensive gifts
Fit.
but hesitate.
I stopped at expensive gift.
Expensive.
but hesitates when it comes to lingerie. कि वो ये नहीं खरीद सकते आपके लिए गिफ्ट एक्सपेंसिव
Fit.
बट हेजिटेट.
मैं खुद ले लूंगी लॉन्जरी यार. तो गिफ्ट तो दे रहा है ना एक्सपेंसिव. नहीं चल मिस यार. He can. No, actually fit.
Okay, compliments your active wear more than your party outfits.
Fizz. I'm confused.
I love fish.
Yeah, I was like,
Because active wear में इतना पहनती नहीं हूँ, मैं ज्यादा एक्टिव हूँ नहीं, पार्टी भी नहीं करती, तो मैं समझ नहीं पा रही क्या 2 पीस.
maybe I was looking. I realized that I was looking at her like this.
Like a fish.
Like a face. You're right. It is a face.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, it's a face.
Oh, it's a fish. Okay, and last one. Not the best kisser, but your best cheerleader.
Fit.
Fit.
मैं सिखा दूंगी किसी.
After a point kissing होता भी नहीं है. बंद हो जाता है थोड़े टाइम के
तो
बाद.
हाँ, at least cheerleader तो है.
हाँ. But in the cheerleader costume,
I would love that.
the shots करो, the pom pom. Give me your ass.
Give me a A. Salone. That's so nice.
That is, I love it. Wow, we have the same fantasy. I have a bad memory with unhooking bras because I had this weird friend in school who would just do that for fun. He would just he was not a friend, classmate. He would just do this. Yeah.
Did he know that he was assaulting you?
I also didn't know, I guess.
Oh shit!
That is why
But
sex
he would
ed
just
is important. Sex ed, guys.
Oh shit! Really?
Yeah, he would do that.
But did he?
Unhook.
Did he keep doing या किसी ने बोला कि भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो यार?
I don't think किसी को पता था कि ये गलत है. उनको लगता था ये मस्ती कर रहा है, तो हम भी बहुत हमारे स्कूल में. Now clearly why I didn't go to school. Now you can tell.
Okay, what's a myth that you have had about sex?
मेरा इतना weird ये हो गया था idea of sex कि मुझे लगा था कि मैं I was pregnant with my teddy bear because I used to hug it and sleep, right? And later I had some weird information about sex, and then I thought that I'm probably pregnant with my teddy bear. I have said this somewhere, and the comments are just so sad. Like somebody is telling you about something that really affected them at a certain time in their lives. Like I honestly thought I was pregnant. It was not like I'm laughing about it. I was getting fat, but I thought my stomach is, yeah, it is. But the comments were just like, what were you doing with your teddy bear? And oh, the teddy bear was assaulted, and like just shit like that, you know.
Yeah.
But यही था, मुझे लगा कि तुम hug करोगे तो pregnant
हो जाओगे.
Yeah.
तो मैं I was pregnant with my teddy bear.
You couldn't talk about it.
Yeah,
And it makes me very sad.
correct.
But you're doing your bit too.
I'm doing my bit
change it.
because I
So,
thought
good
यार
job.
it's a life skill and बहुत life बदल जाती है अगर मुझे ये सब पता होता तो. बहुत सारे traumas ना avoid हो सकते थे. Only if
Correct.
somebody would have spoken to me.
Correct.
मैं अपने बच्चे को तुम्हारे पास ही भेजूंगी, लेकिन उसके पहले मुझे सेक्स एड की जरूरत है.
हाँ, पहले तुम
ताकि
आना
बच्चा
मेरे पास. हाँ, पहले तुम आना मेरे
हाँ,
पास.
पहले
बाद
मैं
में
आती
बात
हूँ.
करेंगे.
Okay, I want to end with some बातें about love and relationships because
I love it.
हम like single लोगों को प्यार क्यों नहीं मिल
तुम
रहा है
single
अभी?
हो?
हाँ, इसीलिए तो पूछ रही हूँ.
I'm going to say this and it's going to sound really bad, but I finally understood what that girl meant when she said that don't love your job your love, okay?
yeah, don't love your job
I
your
just
love.
understood it, like right
Yeah?
now in this moment. Basically, you have to, तुम्हारी नौकरी नहीं लगी होती और तुम्हें बिल पे करना होता है तो तुम ढूंढते हो ना, वो एग्जॉस्टिंग नहीं होता, वो प्रायोरिटी होता है ना, लेकिन क्योंकि आप बिल कैसे पे करोगे. You have to treat your partnership and your relationship like a priority. You have to make effort. ये हमारे एजेंडा में ही नहीं है.
वाओ,
I know,
आप
right?
सीमा जी से रिलेटेड हो?
I can't tell.
सलोनी तुपारिया जी.
But this is what it is, and me and Rav keep saying that यार कि at 24, 25, if you just prioritize कि हाँ, this is also something I want in my life, go and make that effort. It won't be exhausting.
But also I feel for people who want to make this a priority, like I mean वो भी होता है. Like एक ऐसा भी होता है कि यार मुझे अभी इस पर फोकस नहीं करना because इसके लिए तो मेरे पास है टाइम, बट करियर पे मैं फोकस कर लेती हूँ because मेरा प्राइम चला जाएगा.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कोई लेट नहीं होता. हाँ, तुम्हें बच्चा करना है तो शायद उसके लिए देयर इज अ टेक्निकल इशू.
Technical, biological.
उसमें भी now you have
Technical.
you have a little like you
हाँ.
have little leeway options.
Yeah, there are options, but don't rush it. I feel like जब मिलना होता है ना वो मिल जाता है.
Yeah.
तो इट्स ओके, ऐसा कोई राइट वो प्राइड
Time.
नहीं है उसमें. तुम 40 पे 50 पे, माय मदर गॉट रीमैरिड एट 52, which is we got married in the same year. My mom got married in
amazing.
Jan, me in December,
Yeah.
and it was great. So I feel like my dad's also still looking for someone in his life. He's 62, so right time
Sweet
पे
है.
मिल जाता है.
That's so sweet.
पर एफर्ट करो,
Effort.
हाँ, effort तो
एग्जॉस्ट
करना
मत हो, ढूंढो.
ठीक है.
Okay?
But about your individual partners,
Yes, ask.
please tell that why are they, what do they bring in a partnership, in this partnership that you love and you feel like, oh my God, this is what I've always wanted and this is the man for me.
अभी झगड़ा करके आई हूँ, टाइम लगेगा.
I'll go first.
हाँ, go first.
What he brings is exactly what we were talking about, which is he's my cheerleader. ऐसा मतलब कभी भी नहीं हुआ है that I have done something and Viraf has not stood by me. So anything, any decision, there is always this idea of making your partner grow. उसका बहुत clear है, and he's always stood by me. My parents might question it, my own family might be like, ये क्या कर रही है, ये गलत है, ये वो है, and Viraf has never said that. Viraf has always said, you are empowered, you are educated, I am there, do this. And I just feel वो एक that thing of I'm there is so important. He's never questioned any of my choices. He might have a discussion where he'll be like, अच्छा, I want to know where you're coming from because मुझे ऐसा लगता है, but perpetual cheerleader, and I think that's very important.
Yeah.
You can't bring your partner down, you have to lift them up. He lifts me up. Both, yeah, he does, he can, and he can lift me up. He's 6 feet 2 and he can lift me up.
I like to be dragged,
What?
not lifted. Like from one room to the other, you can drag me.
Yeah,
That's
because
fun.
your perpetual state
Like if
is
you
this,
put
na?
like a pillow underneath
But
and
तुम
then you're
खड़ी तो कभी
dragged, like
होती
you're just like, it's so much fun. So that's what he does for me. He drags me.
Lovely.
Nice.
यार मैं शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकती वैसे तो कि क्या है जो वो
देखेगा हाँ वो ये.
हाँ, पर मैं सच्ची में शब्दों में, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये पिछले 3-4 जन्म से, नॉट 7, हम साथ में ही थे और इस जन्म में भी हम लकीली मिल गए एक दूसरे को और हम बहुत ज़्यादा ही सिमिलर है, इसलिए हम साथ हैं. बस वही है कि हमारे जो स्टोरीज है बचपन के टिल डेट, हमने जो भी कांड किए लाइफ में, सब एक जैसे है. हमको जो चीज़ें पसंद है वो सब सेम है. हम ऐसे स्पॉन्टेनियसली ट्रैवल करने निकल जाते हैं कहीं पे भी. हम सेम है, हम सेम इंसान है.
Okay, अब मैं आप लोगों को थोड़ा लव गुरु बनाने वाली हूँ.
मैं तो हूँ, बता.
ठीक है ना? So this is called 2 girls 2 tips.
Oh,
First date के लिए आपके पास कोई टिप है?
You should go, and when you go, you should be exactly you. Don't try to eat neatly and to be neat and clean. Eat, laugh, and say, be yourself. क्योंकि वो बाद में तो रिवील होने ही वाला है. फिर वो बाद में बोलेगा मुझे नहीं लगा था तुम ऐसी हो. पहले ही उसको पता चले और उसमें ही अगर वो प्यार ढूंढ लेना तो बस खाओ जितना खाती हो. फ्रेंच फ्राइज खाती हो ना, सैलेड मत मंगाओ, फ्रेंच फ्राइज खाओ.
Correct.
so this thing would be, if the first date is okay, if it's decent, don't stop there. At least go on 2 more. 3 date rule.
3 date rule.
So if you're going on a first date, I would say judge mat karna pehli date pe, unless कुछ बहुत ही problematic है कि मतलब वो like he's being rude to the waiter or he's like
He's
fundamental
kicking a
issue
cat.
नहीं है. Just because तुमको कुछ butterflies नहीं हुए, क्योंकि नहीं होते यार. मेरे को विराट को देखे कोई butterflies नहीं होते by the way. Yeah, it took him 3 months. So
To bring the butterflies.
and he's the best decision of my life. So don't stop at the first date. If everything goes well, give it another shot.
How to keep romance alive after marriage?
First talk about it and say हमारा spark खत्म हो गया है. वो ही एड्रेस नहीं करोगे तो फिर आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे.
Correct. Acknowledge कर लो. हाँ.
बैठो और बोलो ब्रो,
Bro.
हम ब्रोज हो
Start with
गए.
bro.
हम ब्रोज हो गए हैं ब्रो. Let's spice it up. Let's go on a date. Let's spice it up. No phones, no stimulation. Only we, you, me, and nothing, and candle.
Nothing but candle.
Nothing but
Candle.
Lit.
Candle lit. Nice.
Okay.
क्या है? How to scheduling?
Scheduling?
Schedule it.
Schedule.
Tuesday 5 p.m. every week.
Oh.
That's not my schedule. I'm saying, for example.
Schedule
Is that my
intimacy.
head? Did I just give my schedule away? Tuesday 5 p.m. people are calling me. I'm not
madam, क्या हो रहा है?
They're like, oh, show पे बोला था Tuesday 5 p.m.
सलोनी मैडम को फोन नहीं करना.
बिजी होना चाहिए आपको.
Guys, Tuesday and Thursday 5 p.m. actually.
Oh, but ऐसे mechanical नहीं हो जाता if you like do like schedule it and like you really think about it.
Initially, yes, but it's important. It brings it back.
Oh.
थोड़ा mechanical होता है शुरू में, but it's helpful.
Okay. How do make up after a fight?
I'll tell you something. जब fight होता है ना तो मेकअप करना आदमी को करना चाहिए.
So seriously, she started.
So
Because
profound.
mostly
वही गलत.
गलत होता है.
वो गलत होता
That's right.
है. तो उनको सॉरी बोल देना चाहिए.
Okay, and last two breakup के बारे में ये how to break up with someone?
Not on email और messages.
Hmm.
ब्रेकअप का प्रोसेस लोगों को लगता है कि वो जब फाइनल ब्रेकअप है वो होता है, पर एक्चुअली ब्रेकअप पता है कब शुरू होता है? जब तुम ब्रेकअप करके पैचअप करते हो. वो भी ब्रेकअप का प्रोसेस है जो लोगों को समझ नहीं आता, क्योंकि जब गंदी तरह से रिलेशनशिप टूटता है और फिर तुम कोशिश कर रहे हो वापस एक दूसरे को इट्स अ पॉइंट ऑफ नो रिटर्न. वो नहीं आने वाले साथ में, वो बस कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि नॉर्मल सी वापस आ जाए और फिर फाइनल ब्रेकअप होता है. और तभी दोनों इंसानों को कुछ फील नहीं होता, या एक इंसान होता है जिनको कुछ फील ही नहीं हो रहा. बहुत
I have
ऐसे
completely lost track of what she's saying. हाँ?
रियली
Feel नहीं हो रहा, लेकिन वो मतलब उसको बहुत feel हो, like completely.
यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग.
I understood until last second line.
Second line. You just kept going on and on, but in a
I'm
loop
saying
you
there is
went.
no way to do a final breakup. The breakup is a whole ass process.
Fair. ठीक है, fair last. And last point, बताओ 2 tips on how to move on after a breakup.
लोग बोलते हैं कि you should go into that feeling and sit down with it and feel it and then enjoy your solitude and then come out fresh person and all. But दुनिया में और भी बहुत दुख है. इस दुख में मुझे dwell नहीं करना है. तो immediate जो मुझे validation मिले मैं वो ले लेती हूँ और मैं recommend भी करती हूँ, क्योंकि actually उस टाइम पे तुम वही expect कर रहे हो. तुम you just want to feel like you're worth something because that other person has probably made you feel like तुम लायक नहीं हो किसी चीज़ की. तो तुम्हें पहले अच्छा फील करना है, तो वो इंस्टेंटली जैसे वो करो और फिर देखो आगे. फिर तो
But the only good thing a breakup has given me is a revenge body.
It gave my
Oh,
ex-boyfriend
yeah.
a revenge body.
What is it about breakup bodies? What happens?
I feel just that sense of like, oh, you made me feel so worthless. I will make myself feel that I am worth so much more. Just that feeling is enough to fuel you and like,
I guess.
it's crazy.
फ्यूल कहाँ मिलता है? कौन से पेट्रोल पंप पे? मुझे बस
दोनों
फ्यूल
को
चाहिए.
चाहिए.
वो
Lotus petrol pump.
हम दोनों
ब्रेकअप फ्यूल डीजल के साथ फ्री.
डीजल के साथ.
डीजल के साथ. Okay, I finally want to end because आप लोग का शो तो है ही अब, but आप लोग एक्टर्स भी हो.
हाँ.
तो मुझे
मेरी मम्मी भी यही बोलती है, शो तो है बट एक्टिंग कब करोगी?
तो मुझे like on a serious note, I really want to know, are you getting good roles? Are you getting the work you want to do as actors?
This is what I've been seeing and talking to my friends who are also actors and experiencing around me, that industry की हालत is a little less. There is less work for everybody because कम shows बन रहे हैं अब, जो थे पुराने वाले वो ही नहीं निकले हैं. तो I think it's one of those times of recession. But ये भी खत्म होएगा. It's always a cycle in everything, and I feel like now finally we're going to reach a place where there will be work again. I just feel लगे रहो. There is no other answer to this question. There is competition in everything. कहीं भी चले जाओ. And you just have to be good at what you do and keep at it. That's what we're doing, and create opportunities for yourself like we
Yeah.
did.
Yeah.
मैं तो बहुत
बना-
एक्साइटेड हूँ. हम साथ में कुछ लिख रहे हैं.
Yeah.
और I can't wait to create something for ourselves where we don't then need anybody to give us work. That's the goal. और
I
मुझे
do
तो
and
बहुत
I
मजा आ
feel
रहा है. ऐसी गंदी फिल्में बन रही है, इतने गंदे शोज बन रहे हैं आजकल कि हम कुछ अच्छा बनाएंगे तो लोग देखेंगे.
मजा आएगा.
थैंक यू सो मच. मेरे पास आप लोगों के लिए गिफ्ट्स है ऑफ कोर्स. आप
I
हमेशा
love being
गिफ्ट्स.
on this side of the couch.
यस,
Expensive.
आप हमेशा गिफ्ट्स देते हो तो आज मैं आपको गिफ्ट्स देने वाली हूँ. सो दीज आर वंडरफुल हैम्पर्स सेंट बाय
Size तो तुम्हें पता नहीं था?
ज़िवामे. नहीं
The
इसीलिए हमने
Grand
वो
Lingri
किया.
Festival, guys.
But
This one is for
हमारा
you.
size नहीं पता था
Open
इनको.
and see.
This is so cute. Ooh.
How you open? Oh,
I like.
I
Inside out.
desperately needed a passport cover. Zipper. Yay!
And
I
a
love
pouch.
it. So
I needed a
cute.
pouch.
Also, Zivame, call us.
Zivame, we also run a
ये
podcast.
काटेगी.
नहीं मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं काटूंगी.
Zivame.
काट दियो लेकिन हमें brand contact दीजिए.
बिल्कुल. One single flower, like just single flower to every girl who sits on this couch.
So sweet.
That's very sweet.
It's a beautiful flower.
You're lovely, and I'm very glad. Like I said before, we started shooting. Also, I'm so glad you're doing this. You were made to do this, and this show is already doing well, and it's going to do better. And guys, please like, share, and subscribe to
Yuva
Yuva channel on YouTube
and Good Girls Show.
and
the
Good Girls Show.
Yes, and please do watch Two Girls, Two Cups also.